Noggin Noggin logo bloopers. Cut. Why is Class Geek Supo here? Well, I'm trying to look for Nick Rewind and Rugrats. Sorry, but Nick Rewind and Rugrats isn't here. Maybe go check out, maybe Rugrats is on Nick Rewind's channel. Okay. Alright. Take number 2. Cut. Why is there another Noggin logo? Try to look for Curious Buddies. Well, Noggin logo bloopers. Cut. Klasky Chupo, what are you doing here on the Noggin logo? Try to look for Nick Rewind and Rugrats. Oh, sorry, but Nick Rewind and Rugrats isn't here. Why don't you go look on the Nick Rewind channel? Okay. Alright, take number 2. Cut. Why is Noggin doing here on the Noggin logo? Try to look for Curious Buddies and Jack in the Music Box. Well, Curious Buddies and Jack in the Music Box isn't here, so get out of the studio. Alright, take number 3. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, what are you doing here on the Noggin logo? Try to look for Curious Buddies. Well, Curious Buddies isn't here, so get out of here. Well, I can always visit Jack in the Music Box. Yeah, just get out of here now. Alright, take number 5. Cut. Magic Store Wildberry, what are you doing here? Try to look for Children's Television Workshop. Children's Television Workshop isn't here, so get out of here. We could always look for Sesame Workshop. Yeah, just get out of the studio. Alright, take number 6. Oh no, cut. Angry P-Head, what are you doing here? I'm tired of kicking my friend's P-Head, so I'm taking over the studio. Oh yeah, not so fast. Alright, take number 8. Cut. Screen Jumps S from Heck, what are you doing here? I'm tired of kicking my friend's P-Head, so I'm taking over the studio. Not so fast. Screen Gems S from Heck, I'm going to punch you out. Alright, take number 9. Hold it right there. Whoa, it's Viacar from the V of Doom. Well, I'm tired of kicking my friend's Screen Gems. That's from Heck and Angry P-Head, and um, and and all kinds of scary logos. That's it. I'm taking over the studio. Oh no, you're not, by a copy of Doom. Time to put you out. Curse you, Noggin! Alright, let's have another shot. Alright, take number 10. Cuttity cut. Why is Nick Jr. here? Well, me and Jared are looking for Dora the Explorer and Backyardigans. Yeah, I agree with Nick. Well, Backyardigans and Dora the Explorer isn't here on the Noggin logo, so get out of the studio. Alright, take number 11. Cut. Noggin, you're not allowed to be fast. You're supposed to be normal. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Alright, take 12. Oh no. You made it slower? Yes, I did. You're not supposed to go super slow. You're supposed to go normal speed. Whoops. Sorry about that. That's good. Alright, take 13. Cut. Alright, Noggin. You had lots of fun. But this is your warning. Screw up again, you're fired. Good job, Noggin, with the Pac-Man eye. This is gonna be published in the station ID.